Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Word.
How to use the document inspector for privacy issues in a Microsoft Word document. We can easily review our document for any hidden data or personal information with the document inspector. It examines the document for personal or sensitive information, text, phrases, and other content. It is a good idea before we distribute our document to use the document inspector to remove any unwanted information. I have opened a Microsoft Word document that contains many pages. I then select the File tab to move to Backstage View, and from the drop-down menu from the left, I select the category Info. Once the category Info is selected, I locate the area named Inspect Document. In the Inspect Document area, we are notified that before publishing this file, be aware that it contains document properties and author's name, footers, characters formatted as hidden text, custom XML data, and content that people with disabilities are unable to read. At the left, we just select the Check for Issues command, where the drop-down menu appears with the commands. Inspect Document. Check the document for hidden properties or personal information. Check Accessibility. Check the document for content that people with disabilities might find difficult to read. Check Compatibility. Check for features not supported by earlier versions of Word. From the Check for Issues drop-down menu, I just select the Inspect Document command, where the Document Inspector dialog box appears. In this dialog box, we are notified that we can check the document for the selected content by just activating or deactivating the different fields, and then by pressing the Inspect button located at the bottom right corner of the Document Inspector dialog box. The fields that we can activate or deactivate for the Document Inspector are Comments, Revisions and Versions, Document Properties and Personal Information, Task Pane Add-ins, Embedded Documents, Macros, Forms and ActiveX Controls, Ink, Collapsed Headings, Custom XML Data, Headers, Footers and Watermarks, Invisible Content, and Hidden Text. All that is left to do is to press the Inspect button, and we will have the results of the inspection. We can then follow the suggestions that the inspector has given us, so we can proceed with the removal of all the personal information and suggestions given to us. From the Check for Issues drop-down menu, I select the Check Accessibility command to see the issues that people with disabilities might find when they read the document. Once the Check Accessibility command is selected, the Accessibility task pane appears at the right of our Microsoft Word document, notifying us with the inspection results. We can go through the results and start correcting them And we also have the option to leave the command Keep Accessibility Checker running while I work activated, which is located at the bottom of the Accessibility task pane. From the Check for Issues drop-down menu, I just select the Check Compatibility command, where we will check for compatibility issues with previous versions of Microsoft Word. Once the Check Compatibility command is selected, the Microsoft Word Compatibility Checker dialog box appears with the suggestions about compatibility issues. For this particular document, I am informed that the following features are not supported by earlier versions of Word. These features may be lost or degraded after opening the document in an earlier version of Word, or if you save this document in an earlier file format. We then have the option to select the version that we want to show, and then at the bottom of Microsoft Word's Compatibility Checker dialog box, we have a summary of all the compatibility issues. At the bottom of the Microsoft Word Compatibility Checker, we also have the option to leave activated the command Check Compatibility when saving the document. Another way to check the accessibility of our document from within the Microsoft Word document is to select the Review tab and locate the area of the ribbon from the left which is named Accessibility. We then select the command Check Accessibility, and from the drop-down menu we select the command Check Accessibility. Here we are notified with Keep it inclusive. Let us make sure that your file follows accessibility best practices. We'll help you fix issues quickly with easy to follow directions or recommendations.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.